Hello friends, today we discuss the next topic of carboxylic acid and their derivatives. Now, first we discuss the classification of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acids are classified according to the number of carboxylic groups is attached. That means when we classify the carboxylic acids, and this classification is on the basis of number of carboxylic group is attached. If the R is alkyl group, then the acid is called as the aliphatic carboxylic acid. That means R part is the alkyl group. At that time it is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. And we know the representation of the carboxylic acid having a formula R C double bond O H. Okay, that means if this R part is alkyl, at that time it is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. And if R part is aryl group, at that time it is called as the aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay, that means this is a bifurcation of this carboxylic acid R C double bond OH. In first case, if R is equal to alkyl group, then it is called as the aliphatic carboxylic acid. And if R is equal to aryl group, that means such acid is called as the aromatic carboxylic acid. Now, these acids is classified into monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, and tricarboxylic acid. And you know that the mono, that means single, that means monocarboxylic acid, it contains only one C double bond OH group. Here the example is acetic acid, CH3 C double bond OH is an example of monocarboxylic acid. Now then benzoic acid, that means which containing the only one C carboxylic group. Here benzoic acid is an monocarboxylic acid. Now the next dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid, that means which containing two carboxylic group. Here C double bond OH, C double bond OH, it is an oxalic acid. Another example, here aromatic ring containing C double bond OH, C double bond OH, it is called as the phthalic acid. Now then tricarboxylic acid. That means it containing the 3 carboxylic acid group. Therefore it is name of this compound, it is citric acid. Now then nomenclature of carboxylic acids. For nomenclature of carboxylic acid, there are two methods are used. First one is a common name and another is the IUPAC name. First we discuss common name. For common name, the source of their preparation, that is already mentioned in the introduction and a table 5.2. That means here this is a common name. The common name of carboxylic acids are given below. And in case of IUPAC name, first we have to select the longest chain that containing the carboxylic group. Okay, and second thing is that the parent structure of the suffix E, that means of the corresponding alkane or the alkene, is replaced by the OIC acid. That means here for IUPAC nomenclature, the parent alkane, that means the E, is replaced by the OIC, that is acid. And here the tables are given a nomenclature of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. Here these common names and here IUPAC names are given along with here boiling point. Now then here HC double bond OH, it is called as the formic acid. And for IUPAC name, here only one carbon, therefore that means methane, only one carbon, that means it is the methane. So in methane, for IUPAC name, they replace this E by OIC. Okay. Now then it is called as the methanoic acid. In second case, the common name here acetic acid and IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. How this ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid because here if we see this here 2 carbon and 2 carbon, that means we called it is ethane. We called it as ethane, and this E is replaced by the OIC. Is replaced by the OIC. Okay, it is called as the ethanoic acid. It's called as the ethanoic acid. In this way, so in similar way, propanoic acid. Now the butyric acid, it is 4 carbon, therefore butanoic acid. Valeric acid, it is the pentanoic acid. Caproic acids, it is the hexanoic acid. Ethanic acids, it is the heptanoic acids. Caprylic acid, octanoic acid. Okay, in this way, continue this one. Okay. Now the next, a branch chain. In case of branch chain, that means if the carboxylic acid containing the branch chain, at that time, the substituents, the acids are named as a derivative of their straight chain acids. Here, at that time, the position of attachment is indicated by the Greek letter, that is alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Here, a table are given here, formula, here common name, and here IUPAC name. Now then, first example, here one substituent, therefore we use the letters, that is alpha, beta, gamma. This is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, that means here alpha position, there is one methyl group is present, therefore it is called as the alpha methyl butyric acid. This is a common name. And for IUPAC name, here this is 4 carbon, therefore butane. We replace the E, 4 carbon, that means the butane. Okay, butane, that means here the E is replaced by the OIC. It is replaced by the OIC. It is called as the, here at 2 number position there is methyl group. 2 number position there is methyl groups. If you give numbering, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this 4 carbon, therefore 2 number position there is methyl group, therefore 2 methyl butanoic acids. Okay, that means if you give numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon, 2 number position there is methyl group, and 4 carbon, therefore butanoic acids. Now second example, here at alpha position there is here alpha and beta. For common name, we use the letters alpha, beta. At alpha position is hydroxyl group, that means alpha hydroxy, 3 carbon, therefore propanoic acids. Now then, for IUPAC nomenclature, here 2 hydroxy propanoic acids. Now then, another example, here this is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, now then at gamma position there is chlorine, therefore gamma chloro valeric acids. Name of this compound, gamma chloro valeric acids. And for IUPAC name, here first giving numbering, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here 4 chloro and 5 carbon, therefore pentane. That means we replace E by OIC. That means 4 chloro pentanoic acid. Now then, another example, here this is alpha. We start the numbering or the letters from this C double bond OH adjacent to this here alpha. Okay, now then this alpha, beta, and gamma. Now then beta, at beta position there is phenyl group, therefore beta phenyl butyric acids. And in IUPAC name, it is first giving numbering, here 1, 2, 3, 4 at 3 phenyl butanoic acid. Okay, now then next the aromatic acids. Aromatic acid, that means it is usually derivatives as the parent acids, that is benzoic acid. That means benzene ring containing C double bond OH group. Benzene ring containing C double bond OH group, it is called as the benzoic acid. Now then here, first example, here C double bond OH and here bromines are present. That means we always the numbering starting from this C double bond OH, here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4, that means here this is 1,4 position. In 1,4 position we call it as the para-bromo benzoic acid. Now the another example, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, at 2 and 4 number position there is NO2 group, that means 2,4 dinitrobenzoic acids. Now then next one for para, here second example here, how this para-methoxybenzoic acid, because the numbering starting from here 1 2 3 4, okay, and 1 4 position it is the para position, therefore para-methoxy at 4 number position or the para position there is OCH3 groups, that means the methoxy group, therefore para-methoxybenzoic acid. Now then next, this is the structure of salicylic acid. How this is salicylic acid, or it is also called as the orthohydroxybenzoic acid. So again the numbering starting from here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is a 1-2 relationship, that means it is the ortho position, therefore this is the orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is about the nomenclature of aromatic acid. Okay, now the next alicyclic acids are named as here cyclobutane. That means here 1 2, here 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon, therefore cyclobutane carboxylic acid. Now then here 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbon, therefore cyclopentane carboxylic acid. In this way also remaining 2. Okay, now the next unsaturated acids, the unsaturated acids are named as here again the numbering here, this is the crotonic acids, that means CH3 CH double bond CH, C double bond OH, this is crotonic acids, and this is the acrylic acids, CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH, and another one is the cinnamic acids, here cinnamic acid, that means here C double bond OH, CH double bond CH, and here phenyl ring. Now then the IUPAC name of some carboxylic acids are, the examples are given. Here we take the first example for IUPAC nomenclature, first giving numbering, and numbering is always starting from this the carboxylic acid part, that means C double bond OH. Here this is first number 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 carbon. Now then next is here 5 carbon at 3 number position there is ketone group. It means here 3 keto, and here 5 carbon, therefore 5 carbon, that means pentane. 5 carbon, that means pentane, and here the parent alkane, that means here we replace E by the OIC. Here therefore the name of this compound here we get the 5 carbon, therefore pentanoic acid. Okay, that means 3 keto at 3 number position there is a keto group. Okay, 3 number position there is keto group, therefore here we get the 3 keto pentanoic acids. Okay, 3 keto pentanoic acids. Now the second example here, in second example here again first giving a numbering, here 1, okay, here first giving numbering here 1 2 3. Now then at 2 number position there is amine group, that means 2 amino, and at 3 number there is hydroxyl group, therefore 2 3 2 amino. Okay, IUPAC names of carboxylic acids. Here the first example, here first giving numbering here 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 carbon, that means the pentane, and we replace E by OIC, that means we get the pentanoic acid, and here at 3 number position there is ketone group, therefore 3 keto pentanoic acid. Now the second example, first giving numbering here 1 2 3, okay. Now then at 2 number position there is NH2 group, that means amino group, and 3 number there is hydroxyl group, therefore a alphabetical here 2 amino 3 hydroxy, 3 carbon, therefore propane, that means propanoic acid, therefore name of the compound here 2 amino 3 hydroxy propanoic acids. Now the next example, first giving numbering here 1 2 3 4, okay. Now then 4, that means here 4, that means butane, and butane, that means we replace E by OIC, that means butanoic acid. And 3 number position there is methyl group, therefore 3 methyl butanoic acids. Now the next, here again numbering, the numbering starting from here C double bond OH group, here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here at 4 number position there is chlorine, therefore 4 chloro, and this remaining skeleton is a benzoic acid, therefore 4 chloro benzoic acids. Now the next, here again numbering, here 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 carbon, 4 carbon, that means here it having a double bond. Now then here at 2 number position there is double bond, therefore 2 butenic acid. 2 it indicate the position of this double bond, and here 4 carbon, that means butane, that means we replace E by OIC, here we get the 2 butanoic acids. So the next example, here first numbering, here 1 2 3 4, okay, and 4 number position there is phenyl group, therefore 4 phenyl and 4 carbon, therefore butanoic acids. Next, here 1 2 carbon, therefore ethanoic acids. And here aromatic ring, here first 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, and 2 number position, this is 1 2 relationship, here 2 number position there is nitro group, NO2 group, that means 2 nitro benzoic acids. Now the next, the names of carboxylic acids, that means salts. It consists of the name of the cation followed by the name of the acid with ending IC acid changed to the ATE. That means we have to just change IC acids by the ATE. First, this is carboxylic acid, salts, and common name and their IUPAC name. Here, HC double bond OH, and salt of this here HC double bond O minus Na plus. This is a common name, is sodium formate. The common name is the sodium formate. C double bond O minus Na plus, that means here sodium formate, and the IUPAC name is sodium methanoate. We replace IC acids by AT, that means sodium methanoate. And here CH3 C double bond OH, and its salt CH3 double bond O minus K plus, that means potassium acetate. The potassium acetate, that means here common name, and IUPAC name is potassium ethanoate. Next, here CH3 C double bond OH, and its salt CH3 C double bond O minus K plus, that means here not a sodium, here potassium propionate, and here we get the potassium propanoate, okay. Now then another example, here this is a sodium, this is a salt of sodium acetate, name sodium acetate, here calcium acetate, and this is ammonium formate, HC double bond O minus NH4 plus, that means NH4 plus, that means ammonium, therefore ammonium formate. And here this is a sodium benzoate, pH, this aromatic ring pH C double bond O minus Na plus, that means sodium benzoate. And another example, here this is a potassium, that means here potassium is present, therefore potassium, and 2 and 3 number position there is bromine, therefore potassium 2,3 dibromo-propionate, potassium 2,3 dibromo-propionate. Okay friend, so never miss a video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.